Hi, my name is David. Just give you a little video here of my new Heliocoal heating system. It's basically 6 12 by 4-foot panels interconnected. You may see some snakes up there. Those snakes are for squirrel prevention. That's my own addition. I had to buy those on Amazon, but squirrels love to chew on these black pipes, so it's worth taking a little preventive medicine. Very happy with the Heliocoal installation. I did not do it myself. I'm just not good enough on a roof to do that kind of stuff. Don't want the liability of falling. But I found somebody to do it and needed to tutor them on how to install it. But everything that came to questions with solar pool supply, they answered the question promptly and correctly. It fixed the problems and the questions that we had. So very happy with the system. Ready to get into my right now 90-degree pool here in Pensacola, Florida. Thanks for watching. Bye.